What we had up here before is we had two household fans, the fans that you see in any home. We realized when we had those smaller household size fans, they were totally ineffective. We looked around at a lot of the different companies and we were really happy with Hunter. We were happy with, first and foremost, their reputation in the fan business. We were happy with the product that they had. We were happy with, as far as the durability of the product, it was everything that we looked for. When it says plug and play, like Cap said, it is literally plug and play. The instructions that we got were great. The equipment that we had was great. We were able to mount the Bluetooth bracket, the box up there right next to the fans. Our heaters are going off a lot less. So we're able to train out here a lot more, which makes our job more effective. You're going to have it to where the environment is going to be more conducive. It's going to help the longevity of your rigs and your equipment that are stored out there on the bay floor. And it's not just wintertime keeping them warm, but it's summertime too. You know, when we're on a structure fire and we've got rigs that, you know, have been out 3, 4, 5 hours and they may get overheated. They come in here, yeah, we got the doors going, but you might have, you know, around here in the Midwest, we get a lot of heat and humidity. These fans going, cools them down a little bit better. I would encourage a lot of municipalities, entities, stuff like that, you know, police, fire, public works garages, etc. I would encourage them to get a lot of this stuff because of the fact that it's effective.